Alright guys, hey everybody, how's it going? Been wanting to get some updates about everything that's been kind of going on back to you guys. A lot of questions, it's been... Wow, see? I'm not even gonna change the video, we're just gonna roll like that. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, like that's, that energy, that's what this week's kind of been like. So yeah, thanks for everybody being really patient. I got a lot of special shout outs and thanks for people who've just been consistent and really helping us out with what we got going on. So I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. It's been one hell of a ride. But we are still, the goal is to still have the seed exchange. Doing everything I can to still make it plausible. And oh, look at that, man, this thing just wants to fall. But yeah, so the goal is to still have the seed exchange and to still be able to provide that, and that's honestly been something that's really been keeping me on edge, or just kind of like to myself and like to just comfortable, or at least just something that's been able to be a meditation come back to is just the thought of the seed exchange. I did really excited and happy once someone messages me about it, or I get a hold of it, but we were kind of going through some stuff because we couldn't find just crews. A lot of our crew ended up backing out, and so a lot of our support staff and volunteers are kind of ended up not able to make it. So right now we're looking for about 1 to 3 volunteers, anyone who can. If you have a van or truck, preferably even better, because that brings us to our next thing, and that we are collabing with Save OAKFLAT, and I am extremely excited to be able to share what I have for that, because to me that's the next evolution. Man, this video's gonna be funny, sorry guys. For those who made it through, thank you. But yeah, so we're teaming with Saving OAKFLAT, and we're going to be bringing our seeds that we've collected and taking them out to OAKFLAT on the 27th for the caravan they have there. If you've kept up with what's going on, the federal judge ruled to give OAKFLAT away to the copper mining, copper resolution people, which is, it's really bad, but it contaminates all of our city water, it contaminates our wildlife, it contaminates and pollutes our environmental life, and so it's a horrible bad thing. And so on the 27th they're going to have a prayer up there. I wish this thing would just stay. On the 27th they're gonna have a prayer up there. I will have more info and details about that, but we will be taking all the seeds up there and be giving new noise seeds there. So that is not fully a part of the seed exchange, so the seed exchange is still going to have its date on the 28th. For people who still wanted to come out and still wanted to come participate in the things that we were going to have, that's still going to be a session for the 28th. So this is going to be on the 27th, so it's now a 2-day thing. So you can come out and support OAKFLAT, be part of the prayer vigil, and be part of the prayer circle, and experience and learn about what it is to save these indigenous sacred places and these cultures, and how we have to go forward as a collective when it comes to these kind of things that we are being dealt with right now. And so we're looking for 2 to 3 volunteers to help us for both days, either the 27th or the 28th. The 28th is going to be the seed exchange. Right now we're focusing more on the seed exchange. We're not going to have the full-on party aspect. We will still have some activities for the children mainly, but anyone else, you can come on out, ask questions about anything you have to ask questions about, anything that you want to learn about throughout the garden. Feel free to ask. We'll just kind of use that day as like a field trip kind of day. But we won't have set workshops anymore for that day specifically, unless we get the right amount of volunteers to kind of space everything out. Otherwise, it's just going to be kind of more focused on the children and the seeds, which is okay for me. I kind of like that. But any questions do come, so you can either take part on the 27th up at OAKFLAT, or you can come on out to the local community garden and take place into the 28th and just kind of share and just experience what we got going on and learn about the farm or the projects that we're doing, just anything about all the workshops. You can still learn information about them, we just won't necessarily have them actually going on for the most part. But we will still be having a lot of giveaways. All the stuff that we have, we still have tons and tons of giveaways. We just got new stuff brought in right now from Kiss Organic, so thank you, Tad Hussey. It was really, really awesome, you guys. Shirts, hats, seeds, awesome. We still got stuff coming in from Seed Savers Exchange. Yeah, Seed Savers Exchange. I think that's it. Yeah, Seed Savers Exchange. Chili plants. More stuff from Native Seed Search, and just a few other things. So that's kind of the update of everything that's going on. Our seeds are looking fantastic. I don't know if everybody can see some of all those. We'll do a quick little video of all that after this, so I can show you guys. But yeah, that's the update. It's 27th and 28th. If you'd like to be a volunteer, please get in contact with me. This is going to be put up on the YouTube, but you will definitely see it on the Instagram, so just stay in contact with me. Anybody who wants to help out and volunteer, we'd really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much. I don't think I can switch this around, but as you guys can see, everything is looking fantastic. Yeah, so thank you guys very much. Keep tuned. We'll give you guys all the information as we can. Hashtag safe OAKFLAT. Go search the Instagram, go keep following. We're just trying to make sure that we don't lose everything we got left for many different ways. So thank you guys for being so patient with me and what's going on. And any other questions, please get back to us.